Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important for the students of international relations. They must know the conditions of the various countries of the world at the time of Second World War, and they must know how their leaders, their statesmen reconstructed their countries. Now today's topic is: what were the conditions of France on the eve of World War II? Means 1939. This personality reconstructed and liberated, destroyed France with the help of United States from German forces. The conditions of the France or French people was just like the conditions of Gaza and Palestinians. The conditions of France was just like the conditions of Gaza and Palestinians today in November 2023. The German army occupied France like Iraq occupied the Kuwait. The French people were degraded and lost their liberty, which they gave to the world. The United States of America was watching the deteriorating conditions of France and other countries of Europe, like today watching the plight of Palestinians and Israel. The divine God gave French people the gift of this personality. He was Charles André Joseph Marie de Gaulle. He sacrificed his life for the restoration of lost prestige of his nation. His efforts came with flying colors. He was successful. Presidential terms: June 3rd, 1944 to January 20, 1946. Again, January 8, 1959 to April 28, 1969. In January 1963, Germany and France signed a treaty of friendship, the LC Treaty. It is a very important treaty and famous treaty. This is the picture of Charles André Joseph Marie de Gaulle. Charles André Joseph Marie de Gaulle was born in November 1819 at Lille, France. He paid the debt of nature or died on 9th November 1970. In World War I, he fought at Verdun and spent 2 years and 8 months as a prisoner of war. During his incarceration, he made 5 unsuccessful attempts to escape from prison. Charles de Gaulle was a French army officer and statesman who led free France against Nazi Germany in World War II. He headed provisional government of the French Republic from 1944 to 1946 in order to restore liberty and democracy in France. He became leader of Free French. He was against the armistice with Germany. He established the Free French forces against German occupation during World War II. On August 2, 1940, a French military court tried and sentenced him in absentia to death, deprivation of his military rank, and confiscation of property. Like other leaders of the world, de Gaulle left for England. He broadcast from London his first appeal to his compatriots to continue the war under his leadership. In London, de Gaulle's relations with the British government were strained. In 1943, he moved his headquarters to Algeria in Africa, where he became president of French Committee of National Liberation. On September 9, 1944, de Gaulle and his shadow government returned from Algiers to Paris or France. France was liberated from German forces in August 1944. He became provisional President of France in the immediate aftermath or in the immediate end of World War II. He promulgated the Fifth Republic or the Constitution of France and became President from 1958 to 1969. He also granted independence or liberated independence to Algeria in the face of strong opposition at home and from French settlers in Algeria. France, like other European countries, committed unparalleled brutalities on the innocent people in the world, including the people of United States of America. The Guard has avenged their heinous crimes against humanity by German Nazis. The German forces committed similar brutalities on the people of France, which French in past inflicted on the people of world. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Thank you.